calculate 9.45 square. Now, solution to the problem. We have 9.45 square. The first thing to do is to express 9.45 as a what? As a number in fraction. And what kind of fraction we are going to have? This is going to give us an improper fraction. Why is it going to give us an improper fraction? Because 9.45 is greater than 0. So in that case, we are going to have 945 at the numerator. For the denominator, look at, we have 1 because I said it's still going to be what? Powers of 10. After decimal point, how many numbers are we having? 1, 2. It will represent the number of zeros. So in that case, we are going to have 945 square divided by what? 100 square. The square will affect both numerator and denominator. So the next thing for us to do, we are going to have 945 times 945 is the same thing as 945 square. Then divided by what? 100 times 100. That's what we are going to have. Now, the next thing for us to do is to multiply 945 by 945. 945 by 945. We are going to multiply. Now, let's multiply. 5 times 5, what do we have? That is 25. It means we are going to carry 2. Now, 5 times 4, what do we have? 20 plus 2. What do we have? 22. Then, what do? We are going to carry what? We are going to carry 2 also. Now, 5 times 9, what do we have? That is 45. 45 plus 2 that we carried. That is what? 47. Now, the next thing for us to do is to multiply. 4 times 5, 20. Then we carry what? We carry 2 again. 4 times 4, 16 plus 2. That is 18. Then we carry 1. Not 2. We are carrying 1. 9 times 4, 36. 36 plus 1, what do we have? 37. Now, the next thing for us is to use 9. 9 times 5, 45. Then we carry 4. We are going to carry 4. Now, 9 times 4, 36. 36 plus 4, 40. We carry 4 again. Then 9 times 9, 81. 81 plus 4, that is 85. Now, what is the next thing to do? We add. We are going to add. Adding from the back, 5. Then we have 2 plus 0, 2. Then what do we have? 7 plus 8, 15 plus 5, 20. What do? We carry 2. Now, 2 plus 4, 6. 6 plus 7, 13. 13 plus 0, 13. We write 3. Then we carry what? 1. Now, 1 plus 3. What do we have? 4. Now we have 4 plus 5. what do we have? 9. Now, what do we have left? We have 8. So, it means that 945 times 945 is 893,025. So, we are going to write it out here. 893,025. So, for the denominator, very easy. Just count the number of zeros together. 1, 2, 3, 4. So, we write 1 and we write the number of zeros. Okay, we have 4 zeros. 4 zeros together. So, in that case, what do we do to write our final answer? We do what we call what? Mapping from the back, because we are dealing with improper fraction. Now, from the back, from the back, from the back. Can you see? We map 5 to 0, 2 to 0, 0 to 0, 3 to 0. And I said we are only mapping the zeros at the denominator to the equivalent position at the equivalent position of numbers at the numerator. Take note of that. So now you can see where did we stop? We stop at 3. So it means that there will be decimal point after the first 2 number. In front of 3, we are going to have decimal point because we stop at 3 at numerator. So in that case, we have 89 point. Then we write the remaining numbers. 3025. That is the solution to the problem.